Today, let's talk about the NVM series of video endpoints designed specifically for large-scale video deployment.
Now, up until this point, we have focused our video portfolio exclusively on the collaboration space, meeting room content that needs to get onto the Q-SYS full-stack AV platform.
But now, we're going to expand that platform-centric mentality beyond the boardroom. So, Patrick, please go beyond the boardroom. In fact, show them every single video display in this whole building if you can.
You got it!
Because we are unlocking the floodgates of a whole new realm of hospitality and entertainment venues. Get it? We're talking about things like casinos, transportation, dining, anywhere you've got a large number of video displays and video content that you've got to distribute to all of those displays in a single venue simultaneously. So let's take your video and send it everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
Mondays, am I right?
You said it, boss.
Now, you might be asking the question, doesn't Q-SYS already do that?
Yes, you're right, it does, but let's say you have 30 video endpoints in your design. Even worse, 300 video endpoints in your design. You're gonna spend a lot of time inside Q-SYS Designer, dragging in all those components, wiring them all together, configuring their control panels one by one. Today, I'm gonna create a design for our video wall that's upstairs that has 32 displays and 3 sources, and I'm gonna do it from scratch. I haven't even started yet.
Did you say upstairs? I think I'm going in the wrong place.
Now, you'll notice I'm still using Q-SYS Designer Software, but I'm using the new NVM Designer tool that's in it. All I need to do is add a new video routing group. I can give it a name and any sort of nomenclature that I want to. Let's say that there's gonna be 3 sections in this group. I'm gonna use 1 encoder in each of the groups, and let's add enough decoders to cover the entire wall. When I hit create, the inventory is automatically populated with every single device that I need, automatically named appropriately, organized appropriately based on my configuration settings.
Now, we are solving and simplifying the hardware and also addressing some age-old questions with the power of software. For example, we've got our encoder that comes by default as a single encoder, but if you need a secondary video stream, all you need to do is deploy a software license, and you can route either of these two to your decoder that can be located anywhere in the building.
I want to show you this real workhorse here, the routing group. In fact, you may notice that there's not a lot in my design. This doesn't look complete, does it? Where's all the stuff? But the video sources has already been associated with the video destination, so I don't need to drag them all in and wire them to each other. You heard me right. With NVM, it works without wires.
Wait a minute. You say that NVM works without wires?
Yeah.
This is amazing!
No, Patrick, the displays still need wires. They still need power and they still need HDMI. Patrick, stop it, bad, put it back.
Everything's fine. Everything's fine.
What are you doing with my wires, man?
Everything's fine!
No, it's not. Fix it. Come on.
Real world, you still need wires. Here in Q-SYS Designer, for your video system, you don't need them anymore. In fact, my design is done. I'm going to save and run to the core right now. Think about all the time that saves on its own, not to mention the amount of time you save by not having to configure all the control panels one by one. You don't have some massive video matrix with all of the inputs and all of the outputs and 1,000 buttons in the middle. We have gotten rid of that obstacle.
Now, in addition to scaling our wiring architecture, we're also going to scale our control. Zones can be sourced, routed, and monitored with a no-code control component.
And in fact, my system is up and running already. This is it right here. I can change anything to any number of my endpoints just from these control panels. Not doing it one by one, but I can choose to change the selection source for all of them, or change some video settings for all of them, just with a couple single clicks. What are you doing here? Why are you here? You're in the wrong place, Patrick. You're supposed to be upstairs in the video wall. Go upstairs to the video. He's doing it the hard way. The whole point of this is we're trying to do it the easy way. You saw how easy it was to create a massive video deployment system in a couple of minutes, right? That's what you get when you take your video distribution and you put it inside your platform rather than beside the platform.
Dude.
I'm so sorry.
He messed with my wires, man.
He's brand new to this. You're not going to be juggling with routing and third-party control and custom programming just to keep everything in sync, because your audio system and your video system and your control system are one system. That's the point. Everything is designed to work together, and they will work together exactly the way you expect them to.
And like I said, programmed and deployed in just a few minutes. This is a streamlined video system integration with no-code automation, easy workflow, and a comprehensive user interface.
That's NVM series.
That's Q-SYS